One minute you think you have a handle on things, the next invoices are disappearing, receipts are multiplying, and your bank account is doing the Charleston. Sound familiar? If you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone who craves a little financial peace of mind, then you've probably wrestled with the beast of bookkeeping. It doesn't have to be this way. There's a secret weapon out there, and it's not a rabbit in a hat. It's Zoho Books. But what exactly is Zoho Books? And how can it help you transform your financial chaos into a symphony of solvency? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the wonderful world of cloud-based accounting software, specifically designed for the needs of you, the modern money manager. From shoeboxes to streamlined systems, let's face it, traditional bookkeeping can feel like living in the Stone Age. Remember shoeboxes overflowing with receipts? Endless nights spent hunched over spreadsheets? With Zoho Books, those days are over. It's a cloud-based platform, meaning your financial data is accessible from anywhere, anytime, on any device. No more scrambling for that one crucial receipt you know you stashed somewhere safe. Famous last words. Zoho Books acts as your one-stop financial hub. Imagine a sleek, user-friendly dashboard where you can create and send invoices in seconds, track expenses with ease, and generate reports that would make even the most data-driven accountant proud. Invoice like a boss and get paid faster. One of the biggest headaches for any business is chasing down late payments. Zoho Books streamlines the invoicing process, allowing you to create professional-looking invoices with your company logo and branding in a few clicks. You can even set up automated reminders to nudge those forgetful clients. We've all been there, but it gets better. Zoho Books integrates with popular payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, allowing your clients to pay you directly through the invoice. This means faster payments, less chasing, and more time to focus on what you do best, running your business. Expense tracking. From coffee runs to major purchases, keeping track of every penny spent can feel like an uphill battle. Zoho Books throws you a lifeline with its powerful expense tracking features. Capture receipts on the go with the mobile app, categorize expenses with ease, and say goodbye to the dreaded miscellaneous category. Zoho Books automatically reconciles your bank statements, ensuring your financial records are always accurate and up to date. This not only saves you hours of tedious work, but also allows you to identify areas where you can cut back and boost your bottom line. Reporting made simple and actually useful. Financial reports are often the stuff of nightmares. Confusing charts, endless numbers, and a sinking feeling of, what does this even mean? Zoho Books takes the pain out of reporting with its intuitive interface and customizable reports. Generate reports on everything from sales trends to customer profitability in a matter of minutes. These reports aren't just for show either. They provide valuable insights into your business's health, allowing you to make informed decisions about your finances and future growth. Beyond the basics, Zoho Books grows with you. As your business expands, your accounting needs will too. Zoho Books is built to scale, offering a range of advanced features like inventory management, project tracking, and multi-currency support. And because it's cloud-based, you never have to worry about software upgrades or data security. Zoho Books takes care of the technical stuff, leaving you free to focus on what matters most, running a successful business. Zoho Books, your financial partner in crime. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Zoho Books can be your secret weapon in the battle for financial control. It's an affordable, user-friendly platform that takes the complexity out of bookkeeping, allowing you to focus on what you do best. With Zoho Books, you can finally say goodbye to financial chaos and hello to a future of financial clarity and peace of mind. So, are you ready to ditch the shoeboxes and step into the future of accounting? With Zoho Books by your side, you'll be a financial maestro in no time. Thanks for watching, and until next time.